Hello and welcome to my channel Health Tutorial. In this video I am going to tell you how to simulate a counter. So first I will take a constant. Okay, so you can search for constant and just change the sample time 1. Okay, now search for delay. Okay, and here you have to make unit delay. Okay, now take one addition block. Okay, and copy this one and paste here. Just flip it, Control I. Okay, and connect it like this. Now use one dashboard. Okay, scope also you can take, but simplicity I am taking dashboard. So how to connect this dashboard? So simply here you have to click and select the signal which you want to connect. Okay, so now it is asking done connecting. So now it is connected. So I will simulate it. Okay, you can able to see it is generating a signal, okay, which is looks like a counter. So this is how you can create a counter, or you can simulate a counter in MATLAB. So if somebody will ask you how to change this duration, so this will be completely depending on your sample time. Okay, so if I will take here 2, then you can see based on that this step will vary. Okay, so hope this video will be helpful for preparing the interview in model based design, especially in automotive industry.